welcome back. And today, I just wanted to show you how to fix a Jurassic World pachycephalosaurus. Yes, it only works for this one. It doesn't work for, it works for the Hasbro Jurassic World pachycephalosaurus from 2015, I think. So when I first got this, I was noticing that the tail looked like it was all bent. I pretty much knew it did this, and it still works. I just made it so that it would, so I could show you, but I actually did fix it before. So, if yours is like this, watch this video to the end if you really want to know how to fix this. So, all you need is a screwdriver. Here, let me get this to the other side. Let's take a screwdriver. I fix a lot of toys. Okay. So you will probably need adult help if you're a little kid. Okay. So it is kind of hard, but then mine has rusted screws. So you're gonna take your screwdriver. If you have one, make sure if you don't have your own, make sure that you ask before. If you are a little kid, make sure to get parents' permission before using a screwdriver. So just unscrew all the screws here. This one, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You want to make sure you might need two people, especially if you're a little kid, because it can be a little bit hard. Okay, so let's get these screws out. Make sure you don't lose the screws because they are very easy to lose. This one's not out completely yet. Yep, I'm having trouble getting this out. Okay. There we go. Now just open it up. Let me put the screws over to the side. Okay, so as you can see here, all you do is remove the tail. See? That's pretty much all you do. And then take this, and that's all you do. So take off the tail. Remember to take the tail off. Push this under this thing, and then pop that on. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. Well, pretty much anyone can do it. Okay, and then you just put this back in, and there you go. You fixed it. See, no more. Looks like it's bent. And also, you can also do this now. Wiggle its tail to get a little head wiggle. Just like this. It doesn't do it a lot, but yeah, you can definitely see the difference here. So just move the tail from side to side, and it still does this. It surrounds its head. And then all you need to do is put the screws back. And then screw them back in. But that's pretty much it. It's very easy. It's pretty much anyone can do it. So if your pachycephalosaurus looks like that, it has to be this one. I don't think it works with any other pachycephalosaurus. And put the last screw in. Yes, these little screws are really hard to put in sometimes. Really easy to lose. Okay, now that it's in, there we go. We have the Jurassic World pachycephalosaurus. all fixed up now. So there it is. Looks really nice. The only Jurassic World pachycephalosaurus from Hasbro I have. Looks really nice, and now everything works. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!